So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Noise Free campaign, we go about looking at how you can preserve the photo quality when you are sending it through WhatsApp. Well, there are two ways of doing this and I'm just about to show you a WhatsApp setting that allows you for the best quality of pictures. So let's go ahead and look at what can be done. So head towards WhatsApp setting and here head towards chats and here it's not exactly chats, you need to head towards storage and data and the photo upload quality which you see here. So you can select best quality. What actually happens is when you send photos on WhatsApp, it usually gets compressed and the photo will lose its original quality. So 70% compression takes place. So just go ahead and do this. Another thing that you should know is suppose I have to send photo to someone, okay? So what can I do? So I will just let you know what can be done. So just a moment. So here suppose you want to send somebody a photo. Instead of directly sending a photo using the album icon, what you can do is you can send the photo as a document. So you simply go ahead and select the document and then the document here is the picture image. So you can send stuff which are images, which are videos using this format and the photo quality is totally preserved. So when you do this, you will see that there is no distortion taking place as a result of compression. So these are the two things. I will just simply repeat. Inside WhatsApp, what you are supposed to do is you need to head towards settings, head towards storage and data, select the photo upload quality to be the best, and then the other thing that you can do is while sending, don't directly send it from the gallery, the images, you rather select it as a document. So I will select it as a document, the image, and then send it. So these are the two things. So these are WhatsApp settings for sending pictures or images without losing image quality as a result of compression. So guys, hopefully this helps, and if you think this is valuable, please kindly consider subscribe to our channel. I don't know what's happening. Also do let me know how you find the tutorial, and please do share this with your friends. Thank you.